Retailer, which is F&B Retailer of the Year. And I'd like to invite up from CBRE Global Investors, Carl Gemin, to give this award away. Oh, sorry, wrong one. I'm sorry, Carl. From Actium Group, Thomas Shevchik, to give this award away. Sorry, I'm going through them all. And Gata, if you'll read off the short
And
list.
here are the nominees: Beer Halle, Blue Frog, Burger King, Cap, KFC, La Tagliatella, Max Premium Burgers, Pizza Hut, and Vapiano.
Thomas, thank you very much for coming up and helping us give this award away.
It's really a pleasure. Our dessert is coming. So to give a prize for this delicious and tasty category is really an honor. So the prize goes to Vapiano.
Yeah, it's right. Vapiano. F&B retailer, winner of the year. I got that boom boom that all the boys shakes. All the right junk in all the right places.
Congratulations.
Working that Photoshop. We know that shit ain't real. Come on now, make it
Feel free to say a few words. Go say a few words.
just raise them up.
So, hello everybody, right at the end of the food. Thank you so much. I want to thank all our partners and our main landlords. Without your trust and help, we wouldn't be there. So, thank you so much. Have fun.
Thank you.
Congratulations again. Come join us for a photo.